All right, let me tell y'all something. All the people online talking about, oh, screen printing is easy. You can easily start your business. All of this. Screen printing is not easy. It's really not as simple as how they make it seem on YouTube. Like, those people clearly been doing it for a while, and then they were like, okay, let me show people how to do this. But I need to post a video of just like all of my mistakes or all of my fuck ups. Like, same mistakes, it's just it's not working. But like, it's definitely a process. So I figured I put that out there because I do have this channel to show you how to start your own business, and y'all are here to start this t-shirt business with me. But it's a long journey for us, y'all. But we gonna get it. We're definitely gonna get it going before December 1st, because the line is dropping December 1st. Like, it's done. Like, once December 1st hits, it's on the website. Boom, boom, boom. There it go. Like, so I'm definitely gonna post a video of like all my fuck ups. Let me go take a picture right now of some shit. So here I end up ripping the glove, but that's a small mistake. Now here, I didn't know it at the time, but that's way too much ink. It's too much ink. Hey, look at that. A waste. A waste. Then I had the nerve to go back and add more blue, girl. Watch this. Watch this. Oh, it looks pretty. Oh, so we thought. And the squeegee too small.
It came out black.
It came out black. Exactly. Too much damn ink.
Alright. Boo. I mean, it came out, but it's black. And then you can kind of see, I don't know. I don't love it. It's fine.
And the screen isn't burnt perfectly. You can kind of see highlights of blue. But that's my first shirt, and that didn't keep me from trying. I kept on practicing. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, so my screen, I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's way too big. I followed the directions perfectly though when I was watching that kid, but I do not need a screen this freaking huge. It's really hard to maneuver with, and it makes my screen press like fall forward. That's how big the damn screen is. Good, looks good. But right about here, bloop, is when I realized that I had fucked up. Way too much emulsion in the pan. No one warned you about this stuff though. No one.
So I'm gonna put this in a tub and kind of try to smooth it out. I'm making a mess.
This right here is just the ghost Johnny or something, because it wasn't nobody right there.
My grandma's gonna kill me.
I'm going to say that this was the hardest part of this whole process so far. So far is right, boo. We got a long way to go. I made a mess. And if I don't clean it quick, my grandma's gonna kill me. So my first screen came out good. Still haven't mastered it because that's my second one. So cleanup isn't hard, luckily, because my grandmother would have freaking killed me if that stuff would have stuck to anything. The best advice I could give you though, Dawn dish detergent and the cleaning solutions for these things. Paint and emulsion.
I even got her the fucking toilet. Ah.
So yeah, like I said, this shit is not easy. It's not easy, but it's not so hard that you can't get it done. It's a progress. We gonna make it.